Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido with the Microsoft Surface Pro 3 LCD replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most crucial part of the tablet repair is proper heating to separate the screen from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On Surface Pro 3, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic carpet tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling. There are flex cables attached to the logic board. Now rotate the screen just like you are halfway through to open a book. First, we can disconnect the battery connector, then follows with the digitizer connector, and then the LCD connector by undoing the screw. Before replacing the new screen, take off the LCD video connector cable from the old screen. Apply a little heat to soften the glue on the protector shield, and then you can undo the plug and release the flex cable. Now on the new screen, connect the LCD video connector cable and add the metal shield. Now let's start connecting the battery, LCD and touch connectors to the logic board. First, plug in the battery connector, then plug in the LCD video connector. Insert the screw and then the digitizer connector. Ensure the connection is secured and also do not forget to add the screw on the battery connector. Now to clamp up the Surface Pro 3, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or something similar. Slide in the top section first and then follow with the bottom. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame side. It is useful if you can use screen bonding clips to tighten the screen to the frame. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.